To make eggless chocolate mug cake, you would need the following ingredients. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon coffee, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons milk, half teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a cup, add flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and stir well. Add milk, oil, coffee, vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons chocolate chips, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon chocolate chips and microwave for 90 seconds. Once the cake cools down, you can sprinkle icing sugar on top and enjoy this super moist mug cake. Do try this at home, and if you like it, please click subscribe and the like button. Hope this cake tickles your taste buds. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.